Far East Papi here with Breaking Traditions, BT. How you doing, man? And let's take a look at what you got done so far.
Let's walk.
So we're going to do that.
You want to check out the new remodel?
I would like to. I would.
Check this out.
So it's 101.
So 101's our first remodel. And
oh, man. Look at it. Newspapers. Yeah. So we don't want to get in your way, but I want to come in here and see what you're doing. Oh, you're painting everything chocolate.
Getting a little chocolatey look here, kind of like the restaurant.
Yeah, man.
We had to patch up we're putting new split type ACs in.
Yeah.
So we patched up the existing window units that are in most of these. Whenever we come and remodel them, we're going to do the split type.
Is this like the red doors in before?
They were red doors, yeah.
Okay.
It's affiliated with them. We're not going to be.
And this man right here, what's your name?
My name is Frank.
Okay, Frank, you doing all the painting, right?
He does everything.
Getting it done. Getting it done. All right.
So yeah, we patched up. We had to paint the wall, patch the hole where the old window type.
Yeah, I can see it's showing on here.
And then we're going to have a new one installed tomorrow.
Okay.
On the new split type.
And this will be room number one, really?
This is the first one, just to give us an idea of what everything's going to cost us to remodel this.
So what do you think?
Well,
we won't get into cost,
I
but
haven't added it all up.
is it going to hurt your pocket? Is it going to hurt your pocket?
It's not
Okay.
cheap. Here, check out the bathroom.
Okay, let's do that.
That's another point you got to look at. This one's pretty much done. We're still doing a little more paint.
Okay, some good tile in here, looks like. Oh, yeah, man.
We're going to do the lighting next in there. We haven't.
And it's not no little bitty sink. It's not a small sink.
Right.
You know, like most of these things are really, I mean, you can put your palm in there. And
Yeah, this is a decent sink.
it's a nice sink.
This was here already, so we kept
Oh, really?
it. And we replaced the toilet with the new toilet.
Okay. And it was a little bitty one, right?
It was okay, just out of date a little bit.
Okay.
But we've replaced pretty much everything.
And look at this right here, guys. I got the shower head.
I got to tell you too, we have
And
very good water pressure here.
look at there. A state-of-the-art hot water heater on demand. It's on demand, right?
It is. Water pressure, when we took over this place, it was weak. I was worried. We found there was an issue with the pump up, or the pressure tank.
Oh, really?
We had a pinhole in it.
Yeah,
So
always
once we
something.
replaced that tank, man, it's strong throughout.
All right. Always something though,
Show
brother.
everybody in that sink how good the water pressure is.
Oh, yeah, okay, let's do that.
Show them.
Let's do that.
That's a thing
You got the
here
light?
in the Philippines.
Yeah.
You will go
back
places-
home, even back
You will go
home.
places and you will not have water pressure.
Look at that. So you made it a part of your bar. Wow, this is amazing.
Now the gentleman that's
Look here.
the build on this bar,
Yeah.
I mean, he don't know any other circle bar in town. They're good.
No. Back home maybe, but not here.
In town here, this might be the only circular bar.
It may be. So let's have a look. God, you got, man, I'm glad you're doing it right instead of what half people do just half everything around here. A lot of times, but
This baby is bolted into the floor.
Okay.
It's not going anywhere. It's solid as the
Yeah, he's grabbing hold of it. Look at that. Grab hold of that again.
It's solid as the building. It's bolted in.
All right.
Every one of these legs are bolted in.
Thanks so much for giving me a tour like this. So let me see your pizza ovens and stuff. I seen that.
Back here.
Okay. Okay.
Got this bathroom. We're about done remodeling to
Okay.
the restaurant bathroom. We want to
Okay.
make it
Oh,
bigger.
wow. I can see already.
Yeah, we're about done. We're doing some painting, some touching up.
So you're gonna have the same pressure here too, right?
Oh, yeah.
All through the house.
Blasted.
Look at this. This is a shower.
No, this is just a bathroom.
This ain't no shower?
That's a toilet.
So you're gonna put a
It's
toilet
just a
there?
super big area for a toilet, right?
Yeah, you should have a shower in here.
Restaurant shower.
Yeah, restaurant shower.
They must have this one turned off
Yeah.
because they're doing the tile behind there.
Right. So they're doing a great job. It
We
looks
got
good.
an electric hand dryer going in right here.
Okay. It'll be good for business.
Yep.
Alright. So what?
We have AC in the restaurant.
So these are these big stand-up VCs.
Yeah. This is big uprights. Got a couple in here. Should fill up.
I was thinking about getting one for my house. To tell you the truth, one of these. But a little shorter.
Well, sure. Yeah, back here in the kitchen,
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
where all the fun takes place.
Yeah, because look, man, if you're going to English City, you want to get some food. You want to have a reputable place for food.
Right.
And what I was thinking was, you know, I seen your pizza oven and stuff like that. I'm like, this is probably he's thinking American.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, we're trying to do it
One
right.
thing he would tell me about was biscuits and gravy.
That's coming.
Man, I gotta have that. I gotta have the no. I seen your video with your biscuits and gravy, and I'm like, oh man, Betty. I was talking to my wife. I was like, we gotta go and have some biscuits and gravy. Oh my gosh, this is a real kitchen,
Yeah, we got a real deal here.
and this is real oven.
Biscuits in that oven.
Yeah,
I
I seen it where you lit it up on the bottom,
very pleased to feel how heavy
and it's
it is.
good heavy. Yeah, I mean it's good in size
It's
too.
solid. It is insulated.
Yeah, these guys did right. So
I thought I was going to get something that wasn't.
I did too.
Wasn't good,
But you know,
this thing's made right. I mean, it's heavy.
it's just how much money you spend, right?
I mean, honestly, this oven. I'll go ahead and share this with everybody. I haven't even shared this in my video. So I paid for this oven, this cooling rack, all stainless. They just painted it. It's all stainless on wheels.
Yeah,
Also, this table I had made.
stainless table,
We chose bread.
prep table. That's your prep table.
Another prep table. Those three items were 27,000 pesos.
Man,
So cooking that up, so do the math, you can do the conversion on the screen. A little more than $500, under 600. So
under $600.
550, something like that.
You got all those at
We got
once.
a heavy stainless table, rolling rack, cooling rack, and an oven. For
Yeah,
that price.
yeah, that's insane. You can't do that in the States.
No, you would have paid so much more for an oven.
Man, this is awesome. I love your hood too.
Yeah.
Is it? Have you turned it on yet?
Oh, yeah, everything functions.
Already. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 grills that are massive. These are massive. Look, guys.
Just had those cleaned, and I just put these in today.
And you
They were
got.
kind of crusty, so
Oh, really?
and the burners were clogged up. So I found a place down in downtown Angeles that cleaned these up for 250 pesos each.
Wow.
And picked them up today, and got a little more to do. I'm planning over here. What I'm missing in here is a grill, right? I'm missing two things. I'm missing a flat top,
Yeah.
and I'm missing a deep fryer. So the deep fryer station is going to be over here.
Okay.
I've got gas ready for that here. Fine train.
You gonna get you some canola in here?
So what?
Canola.
Yeah.
You gonna do the canola?
Yeah, it's not going to be that stank oil that you smell everywhere. It's going to need some good stuff. Guarantee you that. And then we're going to fashion a flat top that's 24 by 24.
Oh, that'd be great, grill.
That will fit on top of this burner. And then we'll just have a nice stainless flat top.
Well, you're in a great location too,
We've
man.
got a waffle maker coming, a dual waffle maker. You see in many restaurants.
Yeah.
Flip over. I don't know what you're calling it.
A dual waffle
Dual
maker.
waffle maker, but
Yeah.
it's the ones that turn. You know, they're
Yeah, yeah.
on a swivel.
Flip. They
Yeah,
flip
it's not
over.
like close the lid on it. These things spin around. So I don't know the proper name. Yeah, we're getting there, man.
Man, thanks, man.
Yeah, it's taking.
For
taking a
no,
while.
really. I mean, for showing me the place, and I'm glad that you're putting the effort into this the way I thought you would.
I'll tell you another thing that I haven't mentioned. We plan on running this kitchen to U.S. standards.
Okay.
Gloves.
Always
hairnets,
cleaning. Always cleaning.
Gloves, hairnets, washing hands. So if you ever take a peek in the kitchen, everybody's going to be decked out, run the kitchen right, cleanliness, food.
You know what? You got enough room for all that too, right?
Food safety in mind. Washing vegetables with filtered water, not sink water. People's ask me that a lot. Do you wash your vegetables in the sink water and you don't drink it? Well, if you're making a salad or something you're going to eat, of course you don't use the filtered water.